I call my father, up to that in Canaria. My father was the first member chief village na Calabar.
Chivrotka.
Yes. I'm LA 5959.
The plate number.
Yes, plate number. The first upstairs. Na Abriba.
Okay.
Even first floor, a story building. Na Abriba. Maybe I'm second one or third one.
Okay.
But yeah,
the first, second, and third. Okay, now I get your point. And the first 3-story building in the individually built in the whole Igbo land.
Yes.
So, hello guys. We are going to meet the daughter of the owner of this mansion, this castle, this first 3-story building in the whole eastern region, in the whole Igbo land. We are going to meet the daughter, and she will tell us about the owner of this building, his father, how he was able to put up this structure, how he was able to make that kind of money, how he lived, and everything. Let's go and you will find out more. Guys, don't sleep on it. You are. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Continue the mic so that when you are talking, it will be coming out.
Madam Igwe Kalu, the daughter of the late Chief Igwe Kalu, Ogba of Abriba, ancient distant kingdom.
Ancient kingdom. So, Igwe.
Not Igwe.
Okay.
Igwe. On the Igbo nakpo Igwe, but Abriba nakpo Igwe.
Abriba bros Igbo.
Okay. Abriba Igbo quite alright, but young Igbo hala hagamana on the Abriba.
Okay.
Igwe Kalu.
Okay. Imana mo nakpo Igwe. Amamo Igbo.
Anka ndị align with Igwe.
Okay.
Ishakwaga akpo Igwe.
Okay.
For the Igbo language.
Okay. So, I didn't make a call. This great man. Onyo utosi we bido. Ife nkpakpani no kpara. Ti no bi sendo adrozi. Biko. Oga danyema.
My late father was Chief Igwe Kalu. Na Abriba Amogudu Ndaja. Amogudu Abriba. Had the 5 nehamono ha. 2 boys and 3 girls. Ufonya na kwa Kalu, the first one was Nene. The second one Kalu, Nene Kalu Ogba. The second one was Kalu Ogba. The third one was Odwin. The fourth one was Igwe Kalu, my late father. The last one was Ola. So, at the early stage, that school had been banned.
Yeah.
So, when their uncle, Anna Igwe in their compound, Nandaja, Amogudu, Boroyaga, Iba boy na UGWUOKE. So, on by UGWUOKE, Hanebu Maye, Hesiri from Bende to UGWUOKE. Now, Gary like that. Later, the senior brother Nakbo Kalu Ogba medicine buzo yamagam usoro baka na ngamini na Igbo yasoro haga itu. So no gari teba oga school ya nweta connection within the Norway stockfish to be the distributor of stockfish in Nigeria. So mbaho gareba na eme ndị ahụ recha ahịa ahụ ya rere ọ naghị ahụ otu o siri ahịa ahụ ọ na-ahụ uru ya maka ọma bekee asụ ndị a na-ogbu ya. So ya say the junior brother one of my father ya bịa kpọkwara ya n'UGWUOKE si anya lee problem ya nwụ ya bịa gaa school wee standard 6 ya kpọpụta mgbe ọ mala how to write, ọ mala how to calculate, ọ mala bekee asụ So ha malite ndị stockfish. Ọ dịghị anya that man nwa. So my father acquired that business of stockfish. That stockfish kwa no acquired business. Stockfish had been in Nigeria. Would the only people who better stockfish in Nigeria. In fact, the whole West Africa. Yeah, because you may answer a treaty within the Norway. Say, many stockfish on my father's Zoroya. I signed a treaty that nobody from Nigeria or West Africa, Gabia, Norway, is a stockfish, mobile through my father. So, you have a lot. I'm with a little by elementary school. You have so that stockfish, you have a lot in the ship. In this UGWUOKE, the whole Nigeria, the whole West Africa, Abia online. So I need carry him. I go to another 2 ships. And I do his. You mean the brula. So to see Bianwe ego. That time we stockfish and another place. They be treat gin and the beke strong. And we are in another place. Watala Ijidon yaw. Okwa my father wonye ordenaka. So to order Yabi Aba Obaya. I'm the 3rd daughter of that man. Yabi and a Obaya body. So now you may stockfish of the same company, Norway. Hane bring ya hana kwepoba, energy ata ewake.
Okay.
Hane bring ya rice. Rice are the very, very white. Hane bring ya bahon. This said Kosapotabe. 1957 ka ndị ahụ gwara ya sị ya maka ọ gatụ ala bekee tutu ya nwa onwe ha na-eme ndị a fereba ọkwa only later writing anakwa na-eme that stockfish that ship ebu ya ship abụọ na-abata ebu ya ship atọ na-abata nke riri mmiri ọ na-esekwa ha ụtọ ya enye ha ọ na-asị onye orie mmiri at 3 bags ọ na-asịkwa 3 bags ya wụrụ fọ na asị fọ na-asị na the whole ship eriela mmiri. So that's why they trusted him. They trusted him so much in such a way that even during the war, during that war, man, I make class 5. So as is here, union brother distributorship. Even my senior sister, Ogra Labeke, 1966, from no finish in Elelenwa girls. The August 66 sound. During that war, yeah, war na uze meshela. So my father had to send those Norway people. Say that na nwaya no na London. Eba oz India maka ego my father ka deba. Jizi ego ya deba na akwuru ya ogwa we ogacha. Even that girl no na aga holidays nebe ha. So that thing kwam. So during 1967 agha abela no. All Abriba 14 July 1967. Ogakwa ebe ọzọ. Mahotolana. Also kwa ahịa. But before that time, all the ship of stockfish in Lotano. Half on Naya. So yes, I turn it back. All of Utara Nigeria. That the way is not good. That stockfish. The last consignment. Obutara ya. Obatara. But only now of the Aquasia Abria large qua. Ozadera.
Because of war.
Yes. Because of that for Abria large. So after the war, no, they are now there. See Abia no do anybody gaga then they trustworthy as him. Yes, Yamba tola. By that time, for the one mobla, okay, Catoliterano. So I am Rahanji, mentioned also. Na duzi here stockfish. Abru before, you know stockfish in any family or any place. More in my father's this hand, just a bendy broom. So to see me, and here be a back or you back one. I am the only person. The whole West Africa, the whole Nigeria and West Africa has stockfish. No other person.
Oh, young Abidoria.
I am
the sole So distributor. So but Kebe your father base who gonna make that business?
Calabar.
Okay.
Calabar.
That time, the Calabar was the capital of
Nigeria. No, Lagos.
Okay, that time Lagos was the capital.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Calabar be able to be capital of Nigeria before, but this Anam na Chaburiji make capital.
Okay.
So I shifted to Lagos. But they gave Ban with the first place in the Ocha. Ban called in the Ocha.
Okay.
In those times. They gave Ban Ega on the Calabar, Ocha and the Ocha.
You mean, yeah?
Yes, in the Hana na Mekono.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So and Ome Otinya can that business. After that stockfish business.
Okay. So come as after the war, okusizi ibuputezi stockfish.
Makotola.
Makanotola. Ego adigo too much.
Yes.
Wow. This is so, and the okome onwendo mechara introduce na the business.
I am not working again. By that time, on a business, I'm a canon school. Or the big one mobile. India not your body, but Tabutlan come introduce it to that business.
Okay.
He didn't.
Okay.
All things come after the war, no? Indeed, become up very later.
Continue.
Yes, but not old. And moreover, not the big way to literano. Yage medicine. Ogla one that man come their first son, Kaluaba. On where one year got a name order. By that time, my father which Amwala, yaga name order with India. Ibe annual free trade in this stockfish. So yaga name order with India. Yeah, with another name, company name. So this my senior sister here and Indiana. I say one school, Yama Lotala. Now I do that my brother say, okay, the owners here will not do no work. Company will not work. I say no work, yes, yeah, but yeah, no, I put a contact, I will not the mama small container. We take say I that my senior sister, all of how much shall I know? Say ya. Every son on the make company made within the no work. Kaya gwa ndị ahụ ọgwagị ya ya dịrị ndị later say not the one and the mother with them na na-eme ihe okporo ka ahụ lọta nọ na-enye ya ọṅụrị ha si ya na ọkadị nwanne ya ọkadị relation ya ka dị capable mother ọ sị yes na ọ naghị mother but ndị a sị ya na ha jụrụ my father mgbe ọ dị ndụ sị ọ dịrị nwere ike iwe the business. Also at that time, my father was young. All the year actually finished secondary school.
Yeah.
So yeah, me then say Abia. That was 79.
Okay.
Yeah, I got this equal to the treaty, which is equal to selfish Uganda place. Come on, the only thing me. Well, yes, Nigeria go. Yes, you have said that Naga London, never na Basitego, but you na kwokwa ha. Immediately Obuta Yore Yakwa, Obuta Yore Yakwa. That my brother buttered the first consignment. He go almost every day. So and then when your black in Norway, as I go back to India butter friend. Come on, Yaga first, second, third, the fourth one. Yakushegwa. You name Hane, one
yeah.
So India look pale. You can put a so how turns is a quarter the company.
You see, one lady one nyere aka obidokwa that business. Obidokwa instead of you follow that footstep of your father.
Yes,
or may want to kuche the money.
Yes, only 3 times. The fourth one, Yakushin. Bad advice.
That is why I wage the honest amaka. And Dutch America out of trust because of your father.
Yes. I'm an aquarium message because not doing your best.
The origin of stockfish in Africa, the West Africa. As you are listening, her father is the one that brought it in Africa. He signed a treaty with Norway.
Norway, yes.
Norway. And they signed it that no other person will sell stockfish, if not only through her father.
Chief Igwe Kalu. Chief Igwe Kalu.
Chief Igwe Kalu. Her father ruled the world of stockfish in Nigeria. before the war. Onye akparike before the war. So una kita ke ogoruna.
Us start too long. 1953, I finished in 1954.
Okay, 1953 ko this house.
I'm been a Kalabana Gasco in Latareba. 7 January 1955.
Wow. Kebo no we with a designer mechirako and there is history in Malbasara this building because as na this building but the first three-story building alone the whole I don't know whether na Nigeria or Igbo land.
It's Igbo land, but that is I have the first on 3-story building that time. But I will get a story building like this one. I will a story building by that time. The
Okay.
I have the first story building and the 3rd story building. And I have the first man with the local. Na the whole bend.
Yeah, with the local.
Electric, yes.
Wow. That man nsogbu.
I have the first man with the local na the whole bend. In short, the whole Abia state, let me say so.
He or young obetere ya.
Yes.
Odogu Kariroku. And the food the man, and the man, they are set and he made a noise. They didn't make much. They didn't make noise.
They make a noise.
Wow.
And every noise.
So, if you call me water, I just have to ask. Is in a una about the 3rd almost this week call water chome.
As I am within the first upstairs. Na Abriba.
Okay.
Even what about first floor a story building na Abriba. Maybe I'm the 2nd one or 3rd one.
Okay.
But yeah,
the first, 2nd, and 3rd. Okay, now I get your point. And the first 3-story building in the individually built in the whole Igbo land.
Yes.
So I hear that another story said that it was on the Chahero.
Yes, on the Chahero.
Another I'm not sure on the with this style, but this style, keep on way with style. Okay. So, why on econo?
Yes, I'm up to 40, but I'm chalano.
Wow. I'm surprised. Okay, as an I meeting with direct son here because the man abroad so brain one. So I was one I get meet. Because again we know about this try kwa. Chuku gozi kwa you where. Gozi give where. So okay my your father. Ya gwa if you mutanaka your father. Look at
my father, before the war, another poor people, but you won't know. Otu ndị Abiriba na-eme ha nwere ike ha gawa kuru nwunye ha gawa maọbụ ụmụahịa maọbụ ọ dịghị ha na-eji some nwere ike ha na-eme ha kpakara some na-emekwa ma ndị na-eme ka meka bet in Calabar the whole people nọ na Calabar my father kpọrọ all of them say ha bịa na-eburu okporoko. That is stockfish. Maka will not shed. That every shop na 1 naira. Kutona se onye obula na-ere wetego. Onye obula na-ere wetego. Ntoto mo nwanyị, ma ụmụ nwoke ji ha nzụọ ha na school even up to university level.
Okay.
Uhe ha were kwa ụlọ. So up to today ha na-eji ndị Abiriba ha na-eji anyị egwu. Social and those people na Calabar.
Okay.
O mebara so many.
Wow.
Ọ dị onye na-anasịsị even mgbe ọ nwụrụ ọ dị ndị ka ji ụgwọ bịa sị na ego ha ka ji ụgwọ ha kwụọ ya. Iwatala.
Yeah.
She was a very kind man. Even during any Christmas time, that street time, Goldie Street. I mean, 16 Golden. My father Neji Ego, aka those people. You know what? 5 shillings was a very big amount of money by then.
5 shillings.
5 shillings. My shillings. So.
5
shillings. Okala 1 million now.
You mean Riha?
Yes. Go and ask anybody. So all those old women, Makandi Kalaba, Hana, the very old, Hana like a village, Hana like one because Aniri, Nibeke Jureba, Ndi Ocha, Aneri carry on auto. So Hana, the very old, who can eat Diaga, Nagar. So my father Neji Igwe the whole street. I mean, more especially the elderly people. Ndị Calabar na-enye respect. Ihe mere anyị ji lọta wụ ha nakwa na-ekwu sị ma ha mmemme gị na ọdị ihe ga-eme ka bitu my late father aka. My father sị mba ọ dịghị m obi ndị a anyị lọta. Aka sị na anyị gara gee ntị ihe ndị kala anyị agara alọta. But my father sị mba na ọjọọ na-atụ ya. Ha nwere ike amewe ha akpagbu ụzọ kpara ya n'aka. So we came back.
So Oga Nanoya.
Yes, during the war, we came back here 14 July 1967. Okay. That time school Emechisichala.
Okay, so that means that Papa na two joga because Umweke Nanda Wiki.
Yes, in the Calabar.
The Calabar.
Yes.
Upon Unya Haka, no of fear. Anyway,
my father was the first member chief village na Calabar.
Chivrotka.
Yes. I'm LA 5959.
The plate number.
Yes, plate number.
Wow. Your brain is intact. You have a retentive memory. You can remember everything vividly, clearly.
I didn't come on and remember.
Wow. Wow. I want to remember things like you when I'm like your age. Because as I am like this right now, I'm already forgetting things. More than the chief is here, Obirin Wadikam.
More not 80 now.
Obirin Wadikam, we will be 30 years. So, us Nampayabo, Oyembo Baro, Chivalry na Nigeria.
Yes. No, na Calabar.
Okay, na Calabar. Oyembo Bar, Chivalry na Calabar.
But to tell my father no, to tell no Kobondo, I'm a Lagos said.
Okay, even since Omekata business Ogaro Bodo Ibo,
yes.
Would they send Ogaro?
Yes.
Why?
Oh, to say, Ma, can't devote to on 200 whatever. That's why indeed because you trust them so much.
Wow.
I'm at my Lagos.
Your father got to Lagos.
At all.
Your father and Louis Ojuku was a very good friend.
Yes.
They were friends.
Akwadima na Abiriba during the war. Papa Ojuku. Look at my father. Look at Abiriba. Yes, no, they go.
Kedu maka umunegi imano no a big family. When they continue your father's legacy.
The legacy will ask everybody in school. And I know. They are workers. To have been Obodo Igbo.
Okay.
Even grad school.
Okay.
Now no.
Some of them are not Batako no.
Not but every December.
And the Ungurunye trial ka jetu ka filute your father's shoe. Maybe ka jetu quarter.
And all of them are feeding themselves. By the grace of God.
Yes.
By the grace of God, though.
Yeah, by the grace of God, because the issue is too long, or the difficulty feel, or I'm shocked, or you might feel, or feeling even self na Igbo kita. I don't shock when I got half of this building. How many room called?
This building, the man, 5, 10, 20. It's 30 buildings, 30 rooms.
30 rooms. This castle is 30 rooms. Wow. So this is massive. But oh, we film chore jogi. He home you happen ya because Oka is strong. Who maintain your demand and everyone at chaka any ibatebo de heaven. Or probably no na Abriba in a friend's house. It stand as like I don't even know what to say. Your father really he fast signature house. This house stands out and it's still beautiful. Even Oka mama carry a lot of new house and a rocket.
Yes, sir. So even how many me ndaba ne kwa ha bia ha simba. Na na ewu ne wodi be nke di otu a.
Onwebe.
Ha na me even ha no mo ha na ekweta. Ha say na ha na aru na ha bete na de be nke di otu a.
Onwebe building the car building na. Since I want to gije. Nka yiture nwo bere bu nka ifo na unubi. Nka onye madike n'ụtụtụ of unubi. Chairman UGWUOKE group of company. You are we rutro nka stone but in way keji nka ihe a bụ owu ka awo from beginning to the end castle, you know, anawo atinyere okute owu ka awo ya.
And my father was the only person ka nwụrụ no na Abiriba nke mma o. Ahụ ego n'ụlọ ya.
Na ya ke
ahụ na ego n'ụlọ ya.
Ka ọ nwụrụ.
I mean properties here.
Okay.
I call my father, up to that can area. One geri.
Jesus Christ.
My father went, 7 buildings naba. My father went 5 buildings na Port Harcourt. My father went 3 buildings na Enugu Betore Lania. Before ya one. About 7 buildings na Ohafia. So to I know, I have there to a bank I got na Lagos. I'm lieutenant.
Even man Lagos.
This is not Chala Lagos.
Okay.
I got a bank. My investment there.
Okay. Okay.
But to any other place I am lieutenant. And my father made him in such a way that a very humble man. On a going say Mother Blana gelota di ekwela maka m ga na isi digi sege bute nsen bute so that ụbọchị unu ga-enwe problem ikpa ga amage mama na ikpa ga ama mmadụ afuli we ọ chọrọ ime nwa ihere bank am ga-ezi ya that na m ka ya ga-emekwana mise gaga kotoka ya sị n'ikwe maka eji ego ga kotoka. Okay, my abandon there. Saying that they're very loyal. Make her na agwa ụtụtụ n'abalị.
Nwa ụmụ nwanyị ka ọ na-agwa.
Ma ụmụ nwoke.
Okay. Because you can feel na mpageji ego. Diga sị gị mme nke ma mme ya.
Ya mgba nke ọ ga-onye gị nonsense n'ahụ.
Wow. Upon all his money, he was humble.
Very humble.
And one thing I just noticed about him right now is that with all his wealth, he chose obunetere akono.
Abunetere.
I think obunetere akono. Iji go see no.
Kalebe my father ebe chọrọ iwu factory, cement factory na Calabar. Akọwachala ya. Bịa kwa sị ka Malise Foundation agha ahụ bịa.
Okay.
Ebe ahụ was it all right inside Calabar that time because it's township one now. Allah Kalula and compound higher. So the I now chop utain and make I will pare bang.
Okay, I'm not a cadicata.
Yes.
You move to Beaka. Oh, no, I can wear. I'm
with 23 houses na Calabar.
Okay, your father own Calabar.
I'm with 23 houses na Calabar.
Jesus Christ. Richer. This only Kumaka almost 40 years ago. Okay.
Oh, 76, July 76.
July 76.
31st July 76.
So that is how old today. Calculate it. And Akuya, Erichebea, and on the cookita na Umea, Umumea Gane area.
Neri,